Bugsy Siegel, the infamous mobster and visionary behind the development of Las Vegas, met a gruesome demise that marked the end of his criminal reign. This video delves into the events leading up to Bugsy Siegel's downfall, exploring the factors that contributed to his violent end and the lasting impact of his criminal activities. Leading up to his downfall, Bugsy Siegel found himself embroiled in various controversies and conflicts. While his involvement in the development of the Flamingo Hotel and promoting Las Vegas brought him immense wealth and notoriety, it also attracted attention from law enforcement agencies. Siegel's close association with organized crime figures, such as Meyer Lansky and Lucky Luciano, heightened scrutiny and set the stage for a series of events that would ultimately lead to his demise. One of the significant factors contributing to Siegel's downfall was the financial mismanagement surrounding the Flamingo Hotel. The project experienced cost overruns and construction delays, placing immense pressure on Siegel to turn it profitable quickly. In a desperate attempt to recoup losses, Siegel resorted to skimming funds from the casino, leading to internal disputes and suspicions among his associates, including Meyer Lansky, further strained his relationships within organized crime circles. Suspicions regarding the diversion of funds from the Flamingo Hotel and allegations of betrayal triggered growing dissatisfaction with Siegel's leadership, ultimately sealing his fate. On the evening of June 20, 1947, Bugsy Siegel's life came to a violent end. While sitting in his girlfriend Virginia Hill's Beverly Hills home, Siegel was ruthlessly gunned down by an unknown assailant. Though numerous theories exist regarding the motive for the assassination, ranging from disgruntled mobsters to financial disagreements, the identity of those behind the hit remains a mystery. Bugsy Siegel's downfall left a lasting impact on both organized crime and the development of Las Vegas. His assassination underscored the consequences of crossing powerful figures in the criminal underworld and added a layer of violence to his already notorious reputation. Furthermore, his involvement in building the foundation of the Las Vegas Strip ensured his legacy as a key figure in the city's transformation.